So STX Next was one of the 23 people that I reached out to, 23 companies. I originally found them through their website on Google. They were very highly ranked. Once I got on the very first call with STX Next, it was very clear that they had the knowledge, tools, and experience to help my idea become a reality. So being able to speak with someone right from the start who knew about their team, who knew about the resources and the expertise of the people within their team made it so much easier to progress things further. I've been very lucky along this whole process because the very reasons why I chose the type of company that I did actually came to fruition. One of the reasons was because they are the largest Python developer in Europe, and therefore they have a huge amount of resource within the company that they can tap into at any particular point in time. This was incredibly valuable to me during the build phase. So we started off with a set number of developers. Given the challenges that we were facing, we were able to scale up instantly. The following week, we were able to add an additional developer. 2 weeks after that, we were able to move from one developer from one team to another team to help get the specific technical expertise that we needed for that particular problem, and then move that developer back out again when that particular problem had been solved. At a much smaller firm, that would have been very difficult, and the answers would have been, well, sorry, we can't actually implement it in that way. So far, there hasn't been any challenge that STX Next hasn't been able to overcome.